Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to share some super simple tips to boost your brain power with the right foods. Ready to get smarter? Let's dive in. First off, did you know your brain is mostly made of fat? Yep, and it's also packed with proteins, micronutrients, and glucose. Each of these plays a key role in how your brain functions, develops, and even how you feel. Now let's talk about omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are essential for keeping your brain cells in top shape. You can get them from nuts, seeds, and fish. Just make sure to avoid those pesky trans and saturated fats. Next up, amino acids. They're the building blocks for growth and development and are crucial for making neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These chemical messengers help regulate everything from your sleep to your attention span, so keep your diet varied to keep these in balance. Don't forget about those micronutrients and antioxidants. Fruits and veggies are your best friends here. They fight off free radicals and keep your brain running smoothly. Vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid are key players in preventing mental decline. And minerals like iron, copper, and zinc are vital for early cognitive development. Your brain also needs a lot of energy. It uses 20% of your body's resources. This is where glucose comes in. Your brain loves glucose, which it gets from carbohydrates. But not all carbs are created equal. Opt for complex carbs like oats, grains, and legumes. They release glucose slowly, giving you steady energy and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. So remember, a varied, nutrient-rich diet isn't just good for your body, but it's crucial for your brain too. The food you eat today affects your brain power tomorrow? That's it for now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. See you next time.